Welcome back everybody to this week's video. So today we are going to be making a hollow form out of Burl and Alumilite Clear Slow, and the resin has got a little bit of chameleon powder in there. So we are just turning it round to shape, and the carbide cutters are in actual fact negative rake. So if you are interested in any of the tools or chuck using this video, they are linked down in the description. Alright, so like so, we're just turning it to shape, and now we're just making a tenon so we can hold it in the chuck. Here is the mid-sized detailer from Easy Wood Tools. Back to the finisher. Down around the sides. And there you go. Bit of compressed air there, just to get rid of all of the shavings and ribbons. Gonna move that towel stop. I'm going to just clean up that bottom there real quick using the detailer. Still with the negative rake. There we go. Just going to move that tool rest. Alright, so we're just going to do a little bit of sanding. So we're going to start off with 120 here, and by the time we finish, we would have finished to 400. Just the power of the edit. There we go. Now we've transitioned and finished at 400. Giving it a quick wipe down with some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. Really see what it's going to look like. Now we're going to go with some Yorkshire Grit. Just keep wiping this down and buffing it in. You can feel the grit in the paste just breaking down in your fingers. You just keep wiping it down until you get a clean paper towel, and you have the equivalent of around about 1,000 grit. There we go. We're just going to do the last few wipes. And there you go. Alright, so now we're going to drill the hole for the hollow form. It's going down to depth, and about 600 RPMs here. There you go. Alright, just going to put the tool rest into place. Get the lathe up to speed. And now we're going to turn away that piece of scrap wood. And the first tool we're using is the #1 hollower. By far my favourite tool out of the Easy Wood Tools range. There we go. We're just going to make sure it has a little bit of a lip at the top. Going to hollow it out just a little bit using the #1 hollower. Blow it out. So these are the micro hollowers. Fantastic for small hollow items like this. Also linked down below. This is the #3 micro hollower. There you go, just bring that tool rest in a little bit further. I didn't show all of the hollowing out. I didn't think you needed to see all of it. Just a quick showing of the number 3 in action, and this is the number 1 micro hollower. Just to get down to the bottom. There you go. Once again, a bit of compressed air. Move that tool rest. Check the wall thickness with the old finger calipers. And we're going to do a bit more sanding with Cleanspore abrasives. So exactly the same as before, going to start off at 120, and by the time we come to the end, we will be at 400. Thank goodness for transitions. There we go. There we go, a bit of methylated spirits or denatured alcohol, just to clean that grain out. And here is some Yorkshire Grit once again. So just wipe it all over till you have a clean paper towel, and you have the equivalent of around about 1,000 grit. I hope you enjoyed this video. So with that being said, here are some pictures. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. Please don't forget, hit that thumbs up, click the subscribe button, show your friends, show your family, show your enemies if you like. And if you want to see any more of my videos, click them links on the right hand side. And until next week, I'll see you then. Bye bye for now.